Fabulous home with over 3,400 square feet is conveniently situated on greater than 8 acres in Lindale ISD. This beautiful home has 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, an oversized 2-car garage and additional 2 to 2-car carports. Having been freshly painted and all carpet replaced with luxury flooring, this home is move-in ready for you. The entry draws you into the generous living area with soaring ceilings, fireplace, built-ins, and a wall of windows to allow natural light and enjoy the views of the backyard. The kitchen with island and an abundance of cabinets is conveniently open to both the dining room and breakfast area, allowing an ease in entertaining. The private, master suite is a retreat with its ensuite bath with separate vanities, separate tub and shower, water closet, and walk-in closets. 2 of the guest rooms are in direct proximity to a full hall bath. On the opposite end of the home are located the other guest rooms, full bath, and a small, back foyer with a private entrance. This is an excellent flex space bonus room, exercise area, man cave, playroom, etc. This area would also work as a mother-in-law suite. Outside enjoy the 20x50 saltwater pool with extensive deck and covered patio. Plus plenty of yard for children or pets and a storage building too. Special financing available. Come see. Come buy.